All right, next we have remove for a doubly linked list. So remove just takes in an index or position, and we're going to remove the item at that position. Just like before, we can take advantage of get. Let me restart this here. We can take advantage of get, which we already built in the functionality to check if something is closer to the head or to the tail. So we don't have to write the logic to work from the end or from the beginning. We can take advantage of get. But we still want that logic to be running, because if we have a million items in here and we're trying to remove the second to last item or the fifth to last item, it makes no sense to start at the beginning and go next, all the way almost a million items down, when we could start at the end and just go previous, or however many times. So that's what we're going to do here. But of course, we're not going to have to write most of that logic. All that we really have to do is first check if the index is invalid. If it's less than 0 or greater than or equal to the length, return undefined or some falsy value. If the index is 0, shift. Just take advantage of shift, remove from the beginning. If the index is the same as the length minus 1, or if it's equal to the length minus 1, I don't know why I said if is the same as, just use pop. Otherwise, use the get method to retrieve the item to be removed. So that retrieves the item. Then you have to update the next and previous properties to remove it correctly. We have to patch the hole. And then what I like to do is set the next and previous on the found node itself, on the thing that you're removing. Just wipe those out so that when you return it, it's just the value, and next and previous on the returned item are null. And then subtract 1 from the length and return the removed node. So for example, if we remove something from the middle, let's say index of 4, we find it first using get. Okay, we found it. So we have to patch the thing before it and the thing after it. 2 connections, and then we remove the connections from here, from the deleted item, and then we return the deleted item. Okay, so give this one a shot. Remove, take advantage of the get method that we already wrote, and yeah, solution coming up.